PYPD stock, PolyPid Ltd, is up 76.22% in this session of the 12th of September 2022. At some point, it printed a gain of about 90% or thereabout. So let's get the news behind this rally for this stock. The news is that, let's see here, it says that PolyPid announces presentation of phase 2 D-PLEX clinical data at European Society for Coloproctology scientific conference. So yes, in the pre-market session it was pretty much flat, and that was when that news came out, and it just started to progress. It was as of 11:30ish, 11:30 that began to extend and extended progressively. You can see the angle of attack was quite a steep one based on the way this chart is presenting it, but it never fell below its 250-minute moving average. As a matter of fact, it was probably when market participants began to notice that it now fell below that 15-minute moving average. It has also not fallen below the 200-minute moving average on this 1-minute live chart. So let's look at the 5-minute chart and see what's going on there. On the 5-minute chart, it has actually not fallen below the 50 period moving average. So right now it's getting support from its volume weighted average price based on this chart. So given all of this, let's get the volumes and get the 36.629 million shares across the tape. This stock has a float of about 15 million shares. So I can imagine, without looking closely at what's going on as it concerns the prices we're looking at here, yes, definitely there is some aggression going on there. You can see all the prices are pretty much the same, and there are also the prices are the same with what is going on with the quoted price. So there is some aggression going on there, and given this sort of volume and also being a penny stock, you would normally expect that yes, a lot of factors would definitely push market participants to use market orders to get involved with this penny stock. And it's, I mean, a penny stock, you on the move, you don't want to miss out. It's easily double, and this is almost doubled at some point in this session. So the gain is now 75.16. Aggression is there, but also liquidity is also thinning out. It's getting low, and it's getting poorer and poorer, and they're squeezing out all the other market participants, and at the same time also driving up the price. Let's find out if it's optionable. It's optionable. It's optionable, and $2.50 is pretty much far away, but even at that we have a target of $2.397, just based on what has happened in this session alone, given this price of 2.061 and this low of 1.89, we're able to determine that $2.39 price target. So have the market, yes, exactly. See, market participants have been buying. Option traders have they've concentrated on this $250 strike for the 16th of September series. So they are quite optimistic that it could get up to that sort of level. Yeah, a penny stock, relatively small float, and get this, the short interest, if you add the short interest percent of float and then the off exchange short volume ratio, well, some might say its short interest is pretty much around 54.83%, but the short interest of the float is almost non-existent. But on the off exchange and the dark pools, yes, it has 54% of all that is traded in that the dark pool are sold, rather 54% of the volume in the dark pools are sold short or are held in short positions. So Yes, given all of this, yes, we think it has the potential to get to 2.39, but there is no guarantee that's going to happen in this session or in any other session. So let's get the underlying trend for the stock, and let's look at the daily chart and see what's going on there. Okay, I think some time ago it was at its 52-week low. Can see that plunged all the way down, and not even longer. Especially, I mean, sometime this month it plunged. For some reason it plunged down, and today they are buying that dip. As a matter of fact, it is a dip that they bought. Yes, it's a dip that they bought. I think it was on Friday that it reached that 52-week low. On Friday the 9th of September. Okay, momentum is improving at the moment. RSI is equally improving. So see what you make of PYPD. Our target once again, is 2.39. Market participants or rather option traders are pricing a move to $2.50 as well. I believe this is a buy the dip rally as well. Okay, so there's no guarantee it's going to get to 2.39 or even $2.5. So know how you're going to play this one, and thank you very much for watching this video.